Hi, my name's David at Heat Pumps for Pools, and today we're going to be looking at our new pool circulation pump, the Thermotec variable speed circulation pump. This new pump has got the latest technology for energy saving in it. It runs very quietly and with very high energy efficiency. It's got flow rates from 6 cubic meters an hour to 23 cubic meters an hour. It's got touchscreen control, and it's also got built-in Wi-Fi, so you can operate the pump from an app on your smartphone. So it comes in a box like this. What we're going to do now is we're just going to unpack one for you, show you what you get into the box, and then we're going to go down to our test rig and we're going to show you this pump running, show you how quiet it is and how much energy it can save for your pool. Okay, so we've now unpacked the Thermotec variable speed pump from its box, and we're just going to show you what you get in the box. Obviously you get the pump with the touchscreen control. It comes with a 2-meter power cable which you can wire straight into your supply. The basket can be removed by just undoing the lid on top. You've then got a clear lid and the basket inside which you can empty to empty out the debris. That goes back into the pump and locks into place. And then you can tighten on the lid to secure it, and then the unit comes with a spanner which you can use to actually just tighten up the lid onto the pump. Also included in the box you get two 2-inch unions. The threads inside the pump are 2-inch, so you get 2 of these with O-rings that go into the inlet and the outlet of the pump. And then you get supplied in the UK, we're supplying 2 1.5-inch unions, so you can glue into this just standard 1.5-inch pool pipe. You can also connect this up to other size pool pumps if you like. So you get 1 of each on the inlet and the outlet for the 1.5-inch pipe. So they'll go onto there. And then also what you get is obviously you get an instruction manual, and that's everything that you get with your pump. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go downstairs and have a look at this pump running. So its flow rates are between 6 and 23 cubic meters an hour, fully variable. Very quiet operation, and the Wi-Fi control allows you to operate it from a smartphone app, which we'll take a look at. Thanks very much. Okay, so we've now set up the Thermotec variable speed pump on this little test rig here. We've got some water, and what we're going to do now is we're going to fire up the pump and show you it in operation. It's very easy to operate this pump. It's got touchscreen controls. When the controls haven't been used for some time, the keypad will lock. So the first thing we're going to do is hold our finger on the unlock button for 3 seconds, and then the keypad will light up. We press the power button, and then we can start the pump up. And we're just going to start running at 30%. So we've now got some water movement in our little tank, and we're running at 30%, and we're only using 62 watts. The screen shows you how many watts is currently in use and what percentage you're actually running. So very quiet. We're just going to show you how you can increase the speed. So if we go up to say 50% speed, you'll hear the pump increase in power, and the power consumption has now gone up to 148 watts, which is still very low. We're increasing the water flow in the tank, and you can see inside the pump basket we've got some movement of the air here inside the pump basket, movement of water. Okay, so this pump also has a built-in backwash function. So if you ever need to backwash your pump, all you need to do is press this backwash function, and it will backwash on full power for a pre-programmed time. We've currently got 30 seconds. It's going to count down. You can adjust the amount of time it takes to do the backwash. So this pump's now going to ramp up to its maximum power. And we're currently using 900 watts, and you can see how much water movement. It's up to 23 cubic meters an hour we're going to be pushing through this pump at the moment. So it's an incredibly powerful pump. We're just coming to the end of the 30 seconds backwash cycle, and it's going to drop back down to the speed that we had programmed before. So we're going to go back down to 50% now. Okay, we can go even lower. We can go down to 30%. Also on the control panel, we've got the Wi-Fi symbol here, which shows us that the pump is connected to Wi-Fi, and in a second we're going to go through the app with you and show you how the app is used. We've got a timer button here, so we can set up to 4 timer programs. Each timer program has got its own speed that you can control, and you can set this via the control panel or also via the app. So that's it really, up and down, speed, control, backwash function, timer button and the on off button. We're now going to run through the use of the app with this pump. Okay, so what we're now going to look at is the Wi-Fi control for this pump, and we're going to go through how you can control the circulation pump from anywhere in the world using this app, which is called Inverflow. And using this app, we'll be able to control the speed of the pump, we'll be able to set the timer, and we can actually turn the pump on and off. So we're now going to come in a bit closer and look at the detail of the screen and the control of the pump. Right, so we've now got the app loaded. So on this phone we've got the Inverflow app, and we've got it next to the Thermotec circulation pump. You can have multiple pumps listed, but we've only got one listed at the moment, which is called Inverflow. So when we go into the pump, you can change the name of the pump as well, so you can give it a name. So now we can see the control for the pump, and it's currently 30%, and you can see it corresponds with 30% on the screen. If we increase the speed up to 65 on the app, you can see it's also changed on the screen, and you can hear the pump starting to increase its speed now. We're up to 65%, and similarly back down we can go to say 50%, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, of course. This icon here allows us to do a backwash cycle, so we can just tap that and we can go into our 30-second backwash cycle. So the pump's doing a countdown as before for its 30-second backwash cycle, and then that will finish. If we look at the tank now, we can see how much water is actually coming out of this. It's an incredibly powerful pump, and we're churning up to 23 cubic meters an hour of water here. The backwash cycle is about to end. There we go. And this pump's going to slow back down to the original speed. So we're back on 50%. So that was the backwash cycle. Of course, we can turn the pump off as well. So if we click the power button on here and confirm, then we can shut the pump off. And we can do this from anywhere in the world. Turn the pump on and off. We've also got the timer function. So if we click the little timer icon on the app, we can then set up to 4 schedules. Each schedule can have its own different speed and when the pump comes on and off. So we've got 4 programs there. So very easy to use, very controllable, and we think you like it. It's a great feature, and it allows this to be turned on and off and controlled from anywhere in the world. Another great feature on this app is if we click on the magnifying glass icon, we can actually see a graph showing you the energy consumption of the pump. We've only just started this one, so there's not much data, but it will show you how much power the pump's consumed over a day, month and year period, which is really great in terms of your energy monitoring. So my name's David at Heat Pumps for Pools. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the Thermotec variable speed circulation pump with Wi-Fi control. As you can see, it's an incredibly powerful and flexible pump, great asset to your pool, and one of the most important things is the energy saving. So it will churn over a high volume of water but for a very low energy consumption. It's got the latest technology in terms of pump efficiency and very, very quiet operation as well. So we hope you like it. This pump is available at heatpumpsforpools.com, and we would like to see you soon on our next video. Thank you.